Have you ever wondered what the difference is between gross sales, net sales, and why I should be tracking one over the other? Especially in the restaurant business where there are competing experts out there touting one over the other. I'm going to tell you what goes into each one and why you should use one over the other in just 2 seconds. Hello, this is Dave Scott Peters with RestaurantExpert.com, and heck, I got to tell you this. It's confusing out there. You could read blogs, articles, listen to webinars, and so on, and you're going to find industry experts that use one number over the other when it comes to gross versus net sales when calculating cost of goods sold and labor cost. Now, I'm going to tell you what goes into each, and I'm going to tell you what I recommend and why. Number one, there's gross sales, the ring at the register, before discounts, not including sales tax. Sales tax is not a sale. It's the pleasure the government gives us of holding their money and penalizing us like the mob if we don't give it back to them. Don't use their money. So gross sales, ring at the register, before discounts, not including sales tax. So if I ring up a $10 burger, comp $5, gross sales is $10. Net sales is the ring at the register after discounts. $10 burger minus $5 discount, $5 is net sales. Again, sales tax is not included. It's not a sale. So what do I use? $10 burger, $5 comp? Do I use gross sales to measure my cost of goods sold? Or as many experts say, net sales after the discount because that's truly your food cost? Well, I'm going to tell you right now, it's gross sales. Because here's the deal. I asked my chef to put a burger out for $10, use $3 in product, use divided by sales, 30% food cost. If I discount $5 on that burger, what happens to my food costs using net sales? It's no longer 30%, it's 60%. It's that chef's fault that you decided to give away, run a BOGO, buy one, get one free. Or worse yet, run a Groupon at a 78% discount. Just kill yourself, right? So I'm going to measure my chef. I said, chef, sell it for $10, use $3 in product. That's a fair measurement, gross sales. Still not with me. How about this? Let's say my social working friends, your heart's so big and your favorite charity's coming in tomorrow, you're closing the restaurant, you're going to run a $14,000 day, and you've decided to comp 50%. Now, $14,000 day, do you buy food for a $14,000 day or do you buy it for a $7,000 day? 14, right? Do I bring in staff to handle a $14,000 day or a $5,000 day? 14, right? Do I measure my cost of goods sold and my labor costs off of gross or net sales? The answer is gross sales. Don't get me wrong. When we look at comps, comps are an expense they need to be paid attention to. When I give away 5 pennies on every dollar it comes in, it's money I can't take to the bank. It's real money. And oh, by the way, whether you're following the expert that uses gross sales, that's me, or net sales, somebody else, the bottom line profitability is the same exact number. So how about we measure our management team on what they can control, not what they can't? Again, don't get me wrong, if you're giving away the house because your food sucks and your service sucks, that's a whole nother issue, and you'll see that in comps and need to fix it. Now, if you found this helpful, do me a favor, click on the like symbol down below and maybe subscribe now. That way you can get notified on tips like this on a weekly basis. But do me a favor, what things are you doing in your restaurant that you'd like help with? Put that in the comments section so I can hopefully create a video just for you. Last but not least, before you go, I'm going to give you 2 videos right here that just might be helpful.